Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. What's up, boys? We got a lot of painting going on in my house right now because we're doing some renos, so we're filming in the car. It's what I gotta do, so hopefully that's okay. Also, before I get into anything, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up and tons of comments down below to help us get remonetized on YouTube, that would be great. And also, if you guys can get this video 5,000 thumbs up within 24 hours, I love giving you guys this challenge, then I will give away anything that we're about to unbox in this video to one of you guys. Judging by the size of this package back here, a lot of stuff. And one more thing, this is a good thing, bro, because we actually got another sponsorship for the video, of course, but my boys over at Rose Gold and Black. Now, it's actually their 3rd birthday today, boys, or like it's coming up real quick, so they're giving you guys early access, some crazy deals. And I thank them so much for hitting me up and asking me to do a video. Huge thumbs up to Rose Gold and Black down below. Tell me how much you love them down below for that. But you know, if you guys haven't seen the website, I'm sure a lot of my viewers have by now. What they sell is bracelets like this, which I have not taken off in a good month or two. I love this thing. I think it's awesome. They also sell necklaces, rings, watches, a bunch of other stuff that are like pretty low key that you can get for like a pretty good price when using the link down below. Now, while hitting that link down below, they're gonna give you guys 30% off plus free shipping only if you use that link. And then on top of that, during checkout, if you guys use code NAMEBRAN, NAMEBRAN, just like the channel, you'll get an extra 10% off. So that's like almost 50% off together with free shipping. It's a no-brainer. They also hit me with an update saying that stuff's selling out real fast, so I would go act fast if you want the pieces that you want from their website. So go check them out, man. Links down below. They support us so much on the channel. So for that, you know, my big thank you to them is hopefully getting some sales for them. So go check them out with that link. Thank you, Rose Gold and Black. Anyway, man, let's get into the premise of this video. Now, a little while ago, it was about 2 weeks ago, a company hit me up on the Instagram. If you guys want to go check it out, it's right there. I think another cool thing I should say while advertising my Instagram is I may or may not be verified. So go check it there, and then you can see for yourself if I'm verified or not. So hopefully that's like a cool little trick that'll make people follow my Instagram. Anyway, a company hit me up a couple weeks ago saying that they have some of the best free jewelry that you can get online. Now, when I say that and kind of what I got from them is, you guys know I've got my website where I have free jewelry on there. Through that website, you know, obviously you have to pay shipping because I have to make a little bit of money, but I also try to give you guys some real good deals. Also, Supreme Baddie has a website where he has free jewelry. You got to pay shipping. So these guys, I guess, have some sort of the same thing, and they asked me if I could do a video on them, and unfortunately, I'm saying unfortunately because I always feel like a jerk when I say this to people, but you know, it's a real thing. When this is my job, I say, you know, I don't do anything for free, bro. I have to be paid. This business I've worked up, I need to be paid for my sponsorships. They said no. Then I was like, all right, man, well, I may or may not do a video for you guys. Can't promise anything, but if you still want to send me in some of this free stuff that you say is so awesome, you can do it, and maybe I'll shout you out, maybe I won't, if I dig this stuff. So fast forward about a week or two later, a couple days ago, I got this package in the mail, and I thought to myself, it's like, you know, maybe I could do a video on this, because one, it's kind of a heavy package. I guess they just sent me a bunch of random stuff, and two, it's kind of a big claim that they're having that this is the best jewelry that's free online. That's a claim they said. I'm gonna disagree because I also have a website like that, but I thought it'd be a good premise to maybe do a video on this, give my thoughts, and what I will do, because they sent this in, if I actually do think that it's that dope, I'll shout them out. I'll let you guys know where the website's from. Otherwise, I'm not going to. I know I sound like an ass like that, but I have to stick to my guns on this in a business standpoint, you know what I mean? If other people see I'm doing free videos, it's just, it doesn't look good, you know what I mean? And then I'm backing myself into a corner of not making money. That's what I'm laying down right now. We're gonna unbox all this stuff they claim is the best on the internet with the fake things or something like that. If it's dope, they'll get their shout out. If not, they're getting put on blast. So let's get into it, man. I hate to be a savage about this, but I think these savage videos are kind of fun. I think we all want to watch somebody unbox something with complete honesty and something on the line. Here's the package. They sent in a bunch of stuff claiming that they're the best. Let's see. I'm kind of excited. Like, I hope it's good, but I hope it's not. I did look at their website, and some of the stuff was real dope, and some of the stuff looked real bad. You know, we'll take something out one at a time, because I can see there's tons of stuff in here. I can't see what it is yet, but right off the bat, I see one thing in here, and it might be baloney, bro. This might not be good. Oh no! Okay, I'm trying not to peek here. I won't peek anymore. This is not looking good for them, bro. Let me just start off with something gold I see here. The first thing that they sent, pennant right there. That's dope. If it's for free, I don't know what their shipping was. I probably should have checked. The jewels look a lot better on camera than they actually do in person. I'm not mad at that. What I am mad at is this next thing that I saw. What in the f is this, bro? This is not something I saw on their website whatsoever. Okay, so I guess that just goes through there like that, and it's a bracelet. And I'm assuming if they're doing competitive pricing on their website through shipping, I'm assuming their shipping's at least $15. And you get something like this. Oh no, what a claim to send me, man. And this next one right here, oh my god. They sent a lot of stuff, bro. Next up, they sent us a little cross piece right here. I hate fake black diamonds. I actually don't like real black diamonds or whatever. They just look bad if they're fake, for sure. Chain sucks, this sucks. Free item, I guess it's like not crazy bad because it's free, but I just know, you know, when you're looking for items to stock your website with, it doesn't have to be this, nor a goddamn brown hoop colored bracelet with a little bit of fake gold. This is looking bad, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna dump this all out. Next up, they sent a ring. Once again, black diamonds, bad. Next up, we have, oh, it looks like 2 sets of grills here. Okay, same set of grills. It's like, that's the bottom, that's the top, and that's one of the free items from their website that should be the best, and I'll tell you right now, this is ridiculous. All around, I don't know what your claim is, man. These look awful. I've seen fake grills before, and they're all real cringy, but these are real bad, bro. Dear God. Oh my God. What in the f were you thinking? I don't know if they're shopping wholesale costume shops or what. Next up, what we have here is a goddamn costume from the 1790s jewelry right here. You're gonna see this in the worst movies ever, and it looks like that. How dare you send this? I'm sorry, I don't want to sound like an ASS, but really? For you to send this to me for review when you know thousands of people are gonna watch it and you feel good about that, my mind is blown. What else is there? Next up, we have this. I'm not even gonna bother opening that up. I'm gonna count. I'm sure there's at least 20 pieces they just sent me here, and 20 pieces on a free website. If it's somewhat like mine and Supreme Patties with pricing and shipping, you're spending hundreds of dollars on this crap. I don't know if that's supposed to be yellow diamonds or if it's just supposed to look cool because it's, I don't get it. That sucks. I gotta start separating this crap. Bad, bad, bad. I hate to be a jerk about this, man. Next up, oh, this could be sick, actually. We have a bracelet, not sick. I hoped some of this would be really good to show you guys, but next off, what they sent was a weird style bracelet. I just have never seen anything like that. So we have right here, I feel bad, because the guy was really nice when he emailed me, but hey, I'm gonna give an honest review. What the goddamn? Actually, this next one, this isn't bad for your buck, honestly. The diamonds don't even look that bad. I'm not a huge cross wearer. I'm not a very religious person. I'm into it. If other people are, you can do what you want. Personally, I wouldn't wear it, obviously. That's just me. Not a bad piece, though, honestly. Quality-wise, that's not bad. Next up, what the hell is this? Sorry, boys, you're not getting your shout out. Not at all. I just know because I run one of these websites how good you can make them. God, am I getting all sweaty. This next one, that looks like a Jesus piece, and it is. We've got Jesus's face right here with a some sort of chain. What in the hell do you call that? Broken is what you call that. I'm throwing these guys in the flames right now. I apologize. Next up, from once again, the company that claims they have the best free jewelry. Just a regular chain. This isn't bad. You know what they did well with this is it's just simple and they didn't go through any bad designing processes when picking their jewelry. I dig that, actually. I can see some people ordering that. Next up, it looks like we have another chain. We actually have 3 more pieces now that I'm seeing. This, a gold version of the silver one you just saw. Not bad. It actually looks kind of real too with the color, which is good. I'm sorry, boys. I thought this stuff would be really cool, and maybe I just have it in my head that it's really bad. I think I'm really coming off as a jerk right now. I'm sorry, but I mean, look at this. Don't think I'm being like rude right now, but does that not look like a monkey with a crown on it? Like, that looks like King Kong, bro. It just doesn't look good. It looks better in person than on camera, weirdly. And it's got stupid diamonds. That sucks. What a claim. What a goddamn claim. Next up, this is actually dope. Oh, this is really sick. This is the last one we have. I really like this. I would totally buy that if that was real. It's a nice, simple gold ring right there with some like perforation on it. I don't really know what the perforation is. Gives it a nice little contrast though. That's dope. That's really cool. I wish they just sent me a bunch of like the simple stuff as opposed to the weird stuff like this. This is bad. I will not be sending them this link to this video. Oh, Jesus. Hey man, so that's it for the video. I just rewatched me unboxing all this before I take off to go home, just making sure I didn't leave anything out. I'm sorry I came off like a jerk in this video. I wish I could have said more good things, and maybe I didn't need to say them so hurtful. But it's just, I don't know, it's just a claim like that. You have to be naive, and I would hate for one of you guys to buy one of these online, bro. Or get one of these. It's just weird. So anyway, man, that's it. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm not going to link them down below. I don't want anyone buying this crap. But y'all the goats, man. You're murking the game, the greatest of all time. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching Murking the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Blow.